In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your dashboard in Smartsheet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect when you publish, so you can share a clean, view-only version of your dashboard with your stakeholders. First, make sure you're looking at the specific dashboard you want to share. Smartsheet separates dashboards from sheets and reports, so double-check you've opened the correct dashboard page before proceeding. Once you're there, move your cursor to the very top left corner of the screen and click File. This is the main menu that holds actions for the item you're viewing. From the File menu, select Publish. As soon as you click Publish, a small menu or panel will appear. This panel controls whether the dashboard is publicly accessible via a link. In that panel, look for a toggle switch. It may be labeled Publish or something similar. Go ahead and switch that toggle on. When publishing is enabled, Smartsheet generates a shareable link and shows it right there in the panel. That link is what you would provide to viewers who need access to the dashboard without editing permissions. A quick note on what publishing does. Publishing creates a read-only, web-accessible version of your dashboard. Anyone with the link can typically view it, depending on your plan and settings. Because of that, be intentional about who receives the link and review your dashboard contents to ensure nothing sensitive is displayed. Now, there is an important caveat at the moment. Smartsheet has a known issue where an error may appear when you flip the Publish toggle on. If you see that error, don't worry. You didn't do anything wrong. The path you followed is still the correct method to publish. When Smartsheet resolves the issue, turning that same toggle on will immediately display the shareable link as expected. Until then, it's best to keep your dashboard content ready and return to this Publish panel once the service is behaving normally. To recap the flow, open your dashboard, go to File in the top left, choose Publish, then use the toggle in the Publish panel. When it's working, the link will appear in that same panel, and that's the URL you'll use to share view-only access. That's all you need to know to publish your dashboard in Smartsheet. Keep your dashboard tidy, verify you're on the correct one before publishing, and be mindful about distributing the link. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you share your insights quickly and confidently.